Okay, so far we've drawn a 4-inch square with a 2-inch circle in the center, and we've generated G-code to cut it out with a plasma cutter. So the next step would be to start the plasma controller up and cut the part out. So double click on the plasma controller, main control screen will come up. Next step is make sure that your control box is on, both the main AC switch underneath and the on button on the front panel. Then we want to click reset. Next step would be we want to get the machine fairly close to the front left corner, and we want to reference X and reference Y. This step only has to be done when you first power up the control box for that day. If you shut the power off or shut the control program down, you should re-reference it. If you don't, there's no need to re-reference it. Our next step would be to load a piece of G-code. It's going to run down through it and show us where it's at in relation to our 00 point that we've set. As you can see, we haven't set our 00 point yet, so we're way over here at the moment. Okay, the next step would be verify that your plasma cutter is on, proper sized consumables are installed, and your plasma cutter is set at the proper amperage and air pressure is applied to your plasma cutter. Piece of metal is loaded on the table, a good work clamp. Now you want to decide where you want your 00 point to be. Move the machine down accordingly. Zero all. One last step. Click and cut profile. We choose what we're cutting it out of. Our preset voltage changed accordingly. Now we turn torch height control on. We click run. And it will begin to cut out. It's referencing the torch.